Are you kidding me? What's up guys, it's Kayla and welcome to Blusher Gives It a Glow. Today we're gonna try brow lamination. Yes, you heard it right, I said lamination. And we have Katya here from Katie Brows right here in Los Angeles, and she's gonna tell us all about it while she does it on my face. Let's get into it. Okay, so we have Katya here and she's about to give me the brows of my dreams. I really like the look of the fluffy brows.
Yeah.
So I am turning to brow lamination. Can you tell me and our audience what that is? Like, what is brow lamination?
It's just a great treatment to have a fuller brow look and just kind of more of a groomed brow.
Okay, so like a Brazilian blowout for my brows.
Kind of, yeah. So we're going to clean your brows first, okay? So then we're just going to brush them. So I'm going to begin with step 1, which is just going to soften up the hairs.
I'm about to be laminated.
I'm gonna go ahead and take this off for just a second to check on the brows so they are softened.
I can't see them, but I want to be surprised, so.
Okay, well, you'll be surprised. Just using dry gauze.
Step 2.
Step 2, the actual keratin. So I like to brush them throughout the process, just to make sure that they're all nice and flat and brushed upwards. So let's take this off.
Okay.
And remove this step.
We're removing the keratin now. What I want to do is I want to make them darker. Can we do that?
We can. So we're going to remove that now.
All right.
So there's the nourishing step.
That's it.
That's
So
it.
should I look?
Yes, I want you to look.
Okay. I mean, I've seen myself over there in the monitor, but I haven't seen it up close. Oh my gosh. This looks like I don't even know who that is. And I didn't even know my brows could do that. It's incredible.
It's amazing. It looks so beautiful.
I've always wanted to try to do this with like brow gel and the soap, and this is exactly what I wanted.
There you go.
This is amazing.
Brow lamination.
Thank you so much, Katya, for coming and
course.
giving me the brows of my dreams. And we'll see you next time on Blusher Gives It a Glow.